on, let's get your hair done. Let's do your hair. Come on, let's do your hair. Come on. Let's do your hair. Okay. Hey guys, I'm Asha. This is Melly Nose. Oh, excuse her shirt. Stand up. Fix your shirt. Okay. It's a struggle. But I know a lot of people struggle with African American type textured hair. But today I'm going to show you that it's so easy to deal with. So easy. All we're going to do is start off with some water. Yes. So what I do is I put some water in a spray bottle mixed in with some conditioner, and this is just a black owned company in Waco, Texas that I use, but you can use whatever conditioner you have in your house. It really doesn't matter, but you want to mix it in with some water in a spray bottle, and you just spray it all over. And this is going to make it easy for detangling and everything. Once you spray it all over, you're going to take your Deman brush, which is a brush made strictly for curly hair. And you want to take the ends of it and you want to comb it out. It doesn't matter where you start from. Stop, wait a minute, baby. It doesn't matter where you start from, but it's better to do sections. So you just start a section, part a section, and can you come up here so the camera can see you? Thank you. Be a good cooperative. There you go. So you just want to brush it out and see how this Deman brush just makes those curls come. Okay, stop. And you just do that for the whole head. Brush it, brush it, brush it. This is just detangling the hair.
By starting at the ends, it makes it way easier and less painful on the child. So right here, I'm just finishing the detangling process.
This is what we're going to do for you today, since this is our first video. We want it to be as easy as possible for anybody who's just starting out doing kids' hair, or anybody that wants to learn how to do kids' hair. So what I'm starting off doing is I'm just making a simple part, because we're going to do a side ponytail today. So you just make a part. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just part it to your liking. Take that. Get that out your mouth, baby. It's nasty. Only uses that on your hair. It's nasty on your hair. It's nasty. And you just want to brush it into a ponytail. It's okay. Yep, there's gonna be some crying, there's gonna be some screaming, some kicking. It'll be okay. So what I'm gonna do, what type of gel I'm gonna use is the Eco Styler gel. And they have these in multiple kinds. It doesn't matter what kind you use. Preferably, I like this kind, it's okay, but I prefer the one that's mixed with the black castor oil. I love that one. Get that out of your mouth, please. I love that one. Here, hold the comb. I love that one. So I would prefer that one over this one, but this is what I have right now, so this is what I'm gonna use. So you're just going to apply the gel on the top of the hair. She loves to help me out, but I don't need your help, Ma. You're just making a mess. Thank you very much. Stop. And I know it's kind of hard for you to see because Melly, see? It's not easy doing your children's hair, but you just have to work with them because this is their world, right? No, Mom. Stop, Melly. And then you just brush it into a ponytail. Melly, stop. A ponytail. Melly, stop. See, she's doing this because we're on camera, and she knows I'm not going to with her booty on camera. But we can pause and resume real quick. Real quick, like. Because terrible twos is no joke, y'all. Seriously, no joke. Okay. We're just going to brush this all the way up into a ponytail. Mama. And I just continue to keep using my denim brush because it's going to make these curls pop at the end of her ponytail. See how curly? Look. See how curly her ends are of her ponytail? Sit. It's going to make her... Sit, baby. I'm not pulling her. She's doing this on her own, guys. So don't think I'm mistreating my daughter. They have to see, Ma. You have to sit down. Don't think I'm mistreating her. She's doing this on her own. I promise you, I'm not hurting her. If I was hurting her, she'd be crying. Sit. Hold on one second. Okay. Sit down. All right. Here we go. So now we're gonna get our hard bristle brush. And we're going to brush it back. I use these kinds, they're the most sturdy. Melly. Not to let your kids get a hold of those rubber bands because they will put them on their arms, and let's just say it will leave a mark. We're just doing a side ponytail. Turn around. Mama's almost done. We just did a side ponytail. You want to go in with your brush and just brush it again. Add more gel if you need to. Work your swoop. Add more gel if you need to. And if you want to, you can even pull out some hair on the sides. Give it that curl. And do the other side. Give it that curl.
So right here, I'm just going to start fluffing out her ponytail, making her curls pop a little more.
There. And her favorite color is purple right now. Hey, come here. Her favorite color is purple right now, so I'm just going to add a little purple bow to go with it. Come here. Can you sit down so the camera can see? Yep. And we're just going to pop that right there. Wait. And if you want to, you can do baby hairs. You don't have to. With this look, I kind of like her without them, but I'm going to try to add a little bit.
So right here, I'm going to go in with my brush and just brush down her baby edges so I can form them the way that I want to form them. I'm going to go in with a comb just to make them sharper and just to make the look a little bit more sleek.
And there you have it. Come here, baby. And there you have the finished product. Okay, now go play. So, thanks for watching our channel. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Say thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Say until next time. Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video. If you could, just please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye, babes.